are here in the gorgeous offices of Jack Zamora, MD, Cosmetic Surgery and Aesthetics, right in the heart of Cherry Creek, right across from Cherry Creek Mall. I love it. Here with Dr. Z himself. Now, you have developed this incredible new technique. It's a skin tightening technique. It's phenomenal. What do you call it?
J-Plazty, and it's J-Plazty for face or body. We can do tightening of the skin of the face or the neck or anywhere on the body.
Okay, what is J-Plazty? What's happening?
Well, what we're doing is using plasma energy, and it's the first time in the world that plasma energy has been used for cosmetic surgery other than skin resurfacing. And what it really does, it rejuvenates all of the tissue underneath, and not the normal way that lasers or ultrasound or radio frequency work in terms of heating it all up. We're actually making it younger. And so when our patients are done, that 25-year-old, 35-year-old, 45-year-old, 60, 70, 80-year-old will have younger skin from the inside. And that loose skin on the neck or that loose skin on the tummy can be tightened.
Wow. Let's talk about how you have helped so many people just on the face and neck. I mean, how is it really different from having a facelift or a neck lift?
So it's the same thing without the scar. Before, we used to need to make an incision in front and behind the ear, and then we would lift the muscles underneath the skin, the platysma and the SMAS, and then we would cut out all of that extra skin. Well, because we don't need to cut out any skin, because we're tightening it now, we don't need that scar. So we can just do it through a tiny poke hole here, or here, or here, or here, or here, or here, or here.
Just a teeny tiny poke hole. There's a gentleman you recently worked with the neck. He did the J-Plazty on the neck. Phenomenal. I'm very excited to meet him.
I'm very excited for you to meet him.
I had like turkey skin. You'd pull it out and it would stay like that. And then my daughter's wedding was coming up and it was saggy and all that. So I thought about that. And Dr. Zamora had mentioned J-Plazty and how easy it was. The procedure is very simple. Came in, it was less than an hour. No sedation. I was awake the whole time. It was done on a Saturday at noon. I was out by 1:15 and went to work on Monday.
Wow.
So it was pretty remarkable.
You must have been so pleased at the wedding.
Yeah, everybody loved it. I mean, everybody thought I looked good. So, you know, it's just those little things that make a lot of difference.
It really is incredible. It's a testament to how we can really improve patients' appearance without having to go through the traditional surgery that we used to have to do. And so, you know, as a man myself in middle age, I want to have a little bit of an improvement as well, but there's no way that I have the downtime, and there's no way that I want that scar, that traditional scar of a traditional facelift. This is a nice, easy way of really having some incredible results.
So talk to me about the downtime for the face and neck and the body.
Okay. So it really depends. On average, most patients are swollen. After the procedure, it's just like a facelift. You need to have a neck garment for 3 days straight. And on day 6, 7, it looks pretty good. Some patients swell a little bit more. And then we have some superstars that at 1 day look phenomenal. And that's true for the face and for the body. And for the body, just like liposuction or a tummy tuck, we want a compression garment to hold things in place for the swelling. And likewise, we have some patients that at 6 days are beach ready. I mean, it's pretty impressive.
Yeah, just like Dave, he said he had the procedure on Saturday, he was back at work on Monday.
Yeah. And it really tightens the skin to a level that is incomprehensible. I mean, it's really amazing.
Yeah,
I'm
just
amazed
looking at some of these videos, I mean, you can see, you know, you can really pinch a lot of the loose skin. And then you pinch later when it's done. I mean, how quickly are you getting these tightening results?
You can see it immediately during the procedure, and in as short as 6 days, the results are impressive.
6 days.
As quickly as 6 days, but really immediately during the procedure. So when we're training doctors, I mean, they see it happening right there and then. And it's just neat to know that, you know, before when we used to have to do that big tummy tuck, that's a lot of downtime, that's a big scar. So now we do that instead of a scarless facelift, now we can do a scarless tummy tuck.
You mentioned training other doctors. I think this is so exciting because, I mean, you are the one who developed this technique, so now they're coming from all over the world to see you, to learn it themselves.
Yeah, and we have had doctors come from Santa Barbara and New York and London and Morocco and it's very exciting. We're happy to be part of the educational aspect to really allow all of our patients and really patients from all over the world to experience a technology that is groundbreaking.
Yeah, it truly is revolutionary, the J-Plazty, and Dr. Z created it. That's so awesome. I'm glad you're spreading the knowledge and training these other doctors, because who doesn't want a tighter face and neck and body, right?
I know.
But here in Colorado, you've got to come and see Dr. Jack Zamora with Jack Zamora, MD, Cosmetic Surgery and Aesthetics.